Hello and welcome back to Anima Energy Healing channel. In this video we will explore a rather interesting topic, how to make distraction your ally. Enjoy the following message that I got through inspiration. Destroy your suffering. If you don't destroy your suffering, it will eventually destroy you. What is this suffering I'm talking about? This suffering are all our addictions, all our attachments, or our limiting beliefs. Destroying for me is just a powerful decision to let go of something and no longer be hooked by that limitation, by that limiting belief, by that past that is haunting us and doesn't allow us to be happy. You just say, this doesn't serve me, so I let it go. I destroy it. I take the story out. I just allow it to transform. You just breathe in and breathe out and put the intention to let that go. And you can let go step by step, or you can just say, okay, I choose to destroy all this story, all that is hurting me regarding this situation or this person. I choose to destroy. I choose to forgive. I choose to let go in this instant and allow it to transform, so you can create something else. As an unlimited being, you can create whatever you want. The only problem is, in order to receive it, you need to destroy your limitations, your beliefs that you don't deserve it, your belief in your suffering, your belief in your unhappiness. So, make peace with your destructive nature. It's not something bad or ugly. It's something that can be your ally. Choose to destroy your suffering, your limitations, and create your happiness. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here, participating, and if you want, subscribe, and see you next time. Stay safe, stay happy.